Dusu, fall my feathers.
A man who'd do anything for his family has turned into something more. I never thought I would have feelings like this. I would do anything for Gabriel Agreste, no matter the cost.
This is the miraculous of the turtle, which grants the power of protection. It's all good.
Well...
Multitude! Here's the miraculous you will use for the greater good. I'm going to tell them all not to lose hope.
We're much stronger, and we will win in the end.
Adrian, I love you! Aqua Lucky Charm!
God bless all of you guys that actually managed to stay to the very end of this video. Like, thank you guys so much for watching. This is one of the hardest things that I've actually worked on. It's not going to be one of the hardest things for so long because, yeah, as you guys already read from like the message that I left on earlier, I'm making another fanfiction series. Cat Blanc gets acclimatized for the second time. I call it the Into the Deep Miraculous Special. More info becoming later on in, I guess, a behind the scenes video of this trailer in general, because like I just wanted like this time I wanted to show you guys how the whole trailer or how the whole video like actually came together and how I actually made everything. You guys are going to actually see the secrets behind the whole editing process in general, and then yeah, the series as well. And I wanted to clarify to those of you who kind of ignored like that little disclaimer that I left earlier in the video, that this video is fan-made. I do not intend to fool anyone, I do not intend to deceive anyone or spread fake hope or fake news or any type of stuff like that. We are in like a very long hiatus. We are not going to get any miraculous content till next year Easter. That's when they are going to be releasing the Shanghai special, as I already know to this point. So yeah, I just want to make something that you guys are going to enjoy. So there's going to be a new family series, Into the Deep, right after the Ladybug Akumatized part 3 or part 4. Yeah, I'm thinking of making the part 4 to be the final part of Ladybug Akumatized, and I'm trying to make them longer than like 5 minutes video, not that type of stuff. And in the behind the scenes slash in the BTS video that I'm going to be doing, I'm basically going to show you guys how I compiled all this shit, or like how I generally made this trailer in general. And there's going to be a separate video with 4 different versions or 4 different states or 4 different times that I made this video, like just a general comparison of how they're all going to look. And yeah, basically that's what I wanted to say. Generally, I don't know whether I'm going to continue making these episodes because they always feel awkward for some reason after I do them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and Asterix out.